Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Tap and Pay. First, understand that PayPal Tap and Pay transforms your mobile device into a secure payment tool. It leverages near-field communication, or NFC, technology, allowing you to make quick, contactless purchases. This method is incredibly convenient, enabling you to pay at millions of locations globally with just a tap of your smartphone or smartwatch, eliminating the need for physical cards or cash. Setting up PayPal Tap and Pay is straightforward. Begin by ensuring your device's near-field communication, or NFC, is active in your settings. Next, open your PayPal app and find the Tap and Pay option. Here, you'll link your PayPal account to your phone's native digital wallet, like Google Pay or Apple Pay. This process typically takes less than 2 minutes and includes a quick security verification, such as a fingerprint or PIN, to protect your financial information. Making a payment with PayPal Tap and Pay is incredibly simple. When you're ready to pay, look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. This symbol looks like 4 curved lines. Then, simply hold your unlocked smartphone or smartwatch within 1 to 2 inches of the payment terminal. Your device will vibrate or show a confirmation, and the terminal will indicate a successful transaction, usually in just a few seconds. It's a seamless and swift way to complete your purchase. For optimal use, always ensure your device's near-field communication, or NFC, is active before tapping. If a payment doesn't go through, try repositioning your device closer to the terminal or restarting the PayPal app. You can easily track all your tap and pay transactions in the activity section of your PayPal app. Remember to keep your device's software and the PayPal app updated for the best security and performance, ensuring a smooth experience every time you pay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.